Kids, something's wrong.
The hilarious larva was attacked by a snail and lost its color.
We need to help them choose the right fruit to restore their color. Try choosing the strawberry.
Strawberry. Strawberry. Strawberry.
No, that's not it. What about the peach?
Peach, peach, peach.
Wrong. Try the banana again.
Banana, banana.
Correct. You got it right.
Try selecting the red strawberry.
Strawberry. Strawberry. Strawberry.
It doesn't seem to be this one.
Oh.
What about the purple grapes?
Great. Great. Great to get it right.
We choose the banana.
Banana, banana. Banana.
Wrong.
Try the peach again.
Peach, peach.
Correct.
Strawberry. Strawberry.
Correct. Alright, kids. We have already helped the funny bugs choose the right fruit.
Let's end today's video here. If you like us, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.